I'm Boris Sekirarski, a meteorologist from Hydrometeorological Service, Skopje, Macedonia. In last few years, I work in the field of create information about the events related to ecology, hydrology, and meteorology. And I think that is very important that the time response between measuring of some event and provide some information till end user is very important thing. And I try to put some procedures on one automated server. To all these procedures should be work together, connect to internet, provide some information, collect them, and after many calculations, and all these data are stored on that server, and after some list of users or even customers, all this clear as much as possible information should be provided to inform or even to make some warning procedures. And I think that is very important all to be automated. And now, till now, I think that in 60 or 70 minutes it is possible to collect all information together about the weather and maybe hydrologic situation around my country and my country too. But of course it is very important to know that it's not so it is not good to, we must provide right or enough privileges to use other data from different sources. It's very important to have privileges to use them because all data are from somewhere, and we must have a license to do that. But all tests are made already, and the automated server can work. I'm very satisfied with results now.